Hi there, Erin Koss with you today, CEO of Site Consulting Group. I want to talk a little bit today about having an agnostic partner in your back pocket when you're doing an ERP solution selection. So let me paint a picture for you that we run into frequently, and that's what we call the phone call for the rescue project. So oftentimes we find that our family-owned manufacturing clients have gone out and selected an ERP solution without outside counsel other than the solution provider that sold them the software itself. And as you can see, it comes with a truckload of bias if it's done that way. And oftentimes things are missed. Either worst case scenario, the wrong product is purchased altogether, we've had clients come to us and say they've spent anywhere from $200,000 to $600,000 in those circumstances. We've got 2 or 3 scenarios that look like that. Or ideally you've selected the right product and maybe you're just not positioned for implementation like you expected because you just didn't know what you didn't know. And so what we find is we recommend always that you align yourself with a truly agnostic partner. And what we mean by that is someone who is not making any money or has any bias toward or skin in the game relative to the product that you choose to put in as a foundational element of your growth and scaling effort for your organization. And so sure enough, that's something that we've done for the last 25 or 30 years. And so are we biased in this conversation? Absolutely. But it also is coming, I hope, from the heart as we have worked with family-owned manufacturing companies for over 25 years, helping them to select and implement ERP solutions. And what we want to avoid is rescue projects, because what we find every single time is the investment of time and money that you make right out of the gates to do your selection using a partner that is agnostic will result in a far better outcome in terms of your implementation time and spend and the wear and tear on your team, as well as you hopefully don't have to redo a process because you've done it correctly the first time. So if you're in a situation where you need to grow and scale, you're a mid-sized family-owned manufacturing company and you're asking yourself, what do I do next? I would suggest picking up the phone and giving us a call. We'd love to chat with you for, say, 30 minutes and just talk about what your options might be and how you might approach it. And do you have a team inside your organization that is set up for success? And what does that look like? We'd love to help advise you where we can and be helpful. So with that, give us a call when you get a chance and we'll talk then. Take care.